The trial for the man accused of assaulting former Speaker Nancy Pelosi's husband will be held here in San Francisco. Today, a judge rejected a defense motion that could have changed the venue.
And KRON 4's Hazik Madyoun was in the courtroom. He has the latest details.
A federal judge denied a defense motion to change the venue in the United States versus David DePape here at the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California in San Francisco. DePape is the suspect that allegedly used a hammer as a weapon, injuring the victim, Paul Pelosi, husband of then Speaker of the House Nancy Pelosi. This happened last October at their home in Pacific Heights.
Drop the hammer.
Nope.
Hey. What is going on right now?
I'm not getting an answer on call.
The defense argued that publicly released videos of the incident, the 911 audio recording, and DePape's interrogation by investigators supported their motion to relocate the trial to Eureka, California, arguing DePape would have a better chance to find fair and impartial jurors who are less impacted by prejudice after being exposed to the level of pretrial publicity in San Francisco.
Usually, these change of venue motions seek to go from a smaller venue to a larger, more broader venue where you can get a much bigger jury pool. This was exactly the opposite.
Criminal defense attorney and legal analyst Stephen Clark talks about how the defense argued that Nancy Pelosi's political status in the Bay Area was another reason to change venues.
And I think the hidden agenda here for the defense is they want to get into a district that perhaps doesn't have the same feelings about Nancy Pelosi and her husband as you would find in San Francisco and the surrounding cities. She is a beloved figure here, and I think it's going to be hard for jurors to give Mr. DePape a fair trial when you realize what he had said on that tape about his intention with respect to Ms. Pelosi and what he did to Mr. Pelosi on videotape.
Among David DePape's federal charges is the attempted kidnapping of Nancy Pelosi and the attack on her husband. He is also facing similar charges in the city and county of San Francisco. His next court date here at the federal courthouse is August 2nd. In San Francisco, Hazik Madyoun, KRON 4 News.